your baby blues, so full of wonder, your curly cues.
Alright, so I'm taking N95 from Shades by Girl. That's the foundation that I use, and as my highlight I'm going to be taking my Fawn by LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. So this is what I'm using to highlight. You guys know how I typically highlight, so I don't think I need to spend a lot of time here. So next I'm going to be moving on to taking, that brush I'm using, I use it to blend out my brow bone highlights. So I'm just using it to just rub over my eyes. Then I'm taking my Nude LA Pro Primer in Nude. I'm taking that as a base. As my catch powder there, or my baking powder, that is Sasha Buttercup. No, that's Ben Nye Banana Powder, sorry. So I'm just going to blend that out because I want the colors to pop in this tutorial, and I wanted to use, no, that is Sasha Buttercup, I'm sorry, that is Sasha Buttercup because everything I'm using is from Fontana Pharmacy and they don't sell Ben Nye Banana Powder. So that is definitely Sasha Buttercup. So I'm just blending that area out. So now I'm going in with my Santi palette. They have a new packaging for the Santi palette, guys, so look out for that, but it's the Santi palette nonetheless. And I'll be doing Fire and Ice with my girl Kalissia. She's my past student from my online classes, and she is so very talented. So I'm glad that we're actually doing a collaboration together, and I like this. I like collabing with you guys, and I most definitely like collabing with my students as well. So I'm taking the yellow because I want to put red, and yellow and red makes orange. So I'm putting that orange there so that it flows seamlessly into the next color. Alright, so I'm just going to let the video talk for itself right now. It's just me placing colors and blending, and by blending I mean having the colors overlap to get a more seamless blend.
God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA, we praising God. Even the answer we don't need no God. Praising God. All we want for the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky, we're God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, but we wanna win. God will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like an all-star. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. They want to see me hop in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want to see me back in that car. And I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got scar. And they been up disappointed just because me united. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan, cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where God of the solid rock and it's me I will stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the narrow road I used to the AJ on it. Cause when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get there on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy past it, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Don't show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check Lead like a fast car, cause I'm on a speed like an NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what, me stopping what for them. Yeah. So we still safe. What the bowlers? Controllers. Yeah, me ask you now. Hey, Christian life it's the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street, me don't go see nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Father me shield and me banana can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Up on this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this arm already, bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama Medi. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil killer devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up on me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna trap the wake up shaka. One of them all I think I done already. Christian life it are the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road, me nah go say nobody can this. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Lord and me shield and me banana goddess. Oh, me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh, me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh, me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format, or some harlot. Show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me all number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ, cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Lord them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We a boil at. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who a exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me a stay safe, me no mean me a save up for buy lot. Me a stay safe like an artist. You know what I mean? Heaven on my place, this earth, and me on this. Me a stay safe like an artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless, regardless.